surgery will proceed if allows. Surgeons will work to repair Burrow's turf toe injury he got during last Sunday's game. Now, the surgery is happening in Birmingham, Alabama, at an orthopedic center. Rappaport reports it's also possible it gets pushed back a few days. Burrow faces roughly 3 months as
Sponsored by Tri-State Chevy dealers. Welcome back to Moreline Laundry House. You've got Chase Brown over here. We're cutting the Chase and Chase. 2 hours start the year. You don't. Unlike any other season I've been here, so it's a blessing in that way. But you're still, at least personally, you're like still not fulfilled. There's like I feel like we're still trying to find explosive wins. So the fact that we're 2-0 is great, but I think there's much better football ahead. Go down and just, you guys rallied all around. Obviously hurt a little bit, right? And make some big plays for us. To do whatever, a 90-something yard drive. But to see Joe down, it's tough, man. He's a great player. So much work into his craft, and I know that's frustrating for him. So I know that's something that he probably wouldn't, have love or even though he's frustrated. The season and. The ability to not compete anymore. Speed recovery and playing football. How about Jake Fromm? He was cool as he was. Dude, he played really well. But I don't know. I'm not surprised. Like, he's done that before. I mean, that's good. 23. Yeah. I mean, he stepped in 23 and helped us win some games that we needed. So, the whole team has full confidence in Jake, and I'm excited to see what we can do these coming up weeks.
I think 2023. I think it was Mike Hilton that coined it. We were talking about it on Sunday. It was the Jake Show, no late show, is what he was calling it.
That's what he called it. So you running out of that this year? Yeah. I mean, it's the Jake Show now, and it's not late; it's early. So I mean, get that guy rolling and. He's going to do really good things.
Bengals are 2-0, getting ready for a Week 3 game against the Vikings. I feel like you deserve a little treat. Let's dive into some food and let's talk a little more after the break.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Got the qualified rings and everything for you.
We're going after them.
I'm going after those, yep.
I'm surprised.
I got a little bison roll, too.
Yeah.
With 50 Floor, you can have it all. Get the best price and the best quality, backed by the best warranty. Get the most experienced installers and the fastest install. Book your in-home consultation at 50floor.com.
Fact. It's Ford Truck Month, and it's the best time to get a great deal on a new Ford truck. From the company that assembles more vehicles, employs more hourly workers, and builds the best-selling truck in America. It's Ford Truck Month. Get great deals on a huge selection, and that's a fact. Get a Ford F-150 with 3.9 financing for 72 months plus $2,500 total cash only from the Cincinnati Ford dealer.
Your mental health is better. But having uncontrollable body movements called TD, tardive dyskinesia, can feel embarrassing.
I asked my doctor about treating my TD with
is clinically proven to treat TD, quickly reducing TD movements by greater than 5 times in 2 weeks. 98% of people are still satisfied with Ingrezza after 2 years, and you can keep taking most mental health meds.
Ingrezza can cause depression, suicidal thoughts, or actions in patients with Huntington's disease. Call your doctor if you become depressed, have sudden behavior, mood changes, or suicidal thoughts. Don't take Ingrezza if allergic. Serious side effects may include allergic reactions, sudden potentially fatal swelling of hives, sleepiness, the most common side effect, and heartburn problems.
symptoms. No Ingrezza affects you before operating a car or dangerous machinery. Report fever, stiff muscles, or problem thinking, as these might be life-threatening. Shaking, stiffness, drooling, and trouble with moving your balance may occur. Taking control starts with asking your doctor about Ingrezza.
Redefine excellence with an unrivaled dealership experience. Thoughtfully designed with countless amenities for your comfort and convenience. And our outstanding service has us ranked a lead of Lexus dealers for a combined 34 years. Experience amazing. Performance Lexus in the Kings Auto Mall and Performance Lexus Northern Kentucky.
Discover the new floor of your dreams at a low price you never imagined at 50 Floor. Crafted to captivate, built to endure. Installed in just one day. Make the floor of your dreams a reality at 50floor.com.
Cutting to the chase. Sponsored by Tri-State Chevy Dealers.
You guys already clapping? Good to go?
Yeah, I think we're rolling. We're already rolling.
Perfect. All right. Well, welcome back to Moreline Lagerhouse. Thanks so much for hosting this Cut to the Chase. Now, Chase, we were talking before about being 2-0 to start the year. You're also off to a good start this year with Illinois.
They are. They're dominant this year. They're dominant. I'm loving it.
Keep on winning games. I don't know if I just saw this stat over the weekend. They are tied for the longest active winning streak in the country.
I did see that. I think I saw it on Twitter. It's like 6 or something.
Yeah, 6-game winning streak going back to last season.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. I'm honestly not surprised.
I mean, you kind of.
You're surprised.
I was gonna say you're humble and you're gonna push this away, but I mean that's what you're doing. Like you are a big part of that.
I think there's a group of guys that are playing the NFL right now that have a huge tribute to the uplift of the program. But I think Coach B really turned around the culture and was able to take that next step. The one that we couldn't do while we were there. So, but they're doing so many good things, and guys are playing really well. So, dominant Illini football program for the foreseeable future. I'm all for it.
Always show makes sense. So we want to get back to the NFL after that quick check. I want you to give a review of your go through any of the pictures. Step up. Who's surprised you? Or maybe who's just. That's cool. I saw thing coming in on that. I guess we like went over to Joe's house or something. Like Joe's style or something like that. Yeah, Ted came and fitted the other day. Like. Yeah, I'm trying to think. I was like, I couldn't. The pics of the. Well, yeah, I mean, I know, gotta be prepared for this. That'll be your homework, right?
Yeah, do
exactly.
For sure.
Josh Newton was he had that kind of suit look on Sunday. I was like, he came to play.
Yeah. Was it his birthday this weekend or something?
No, I don't think so. But actually, so you're heading into Minnesota, week 3, going for the 3-0 start. What's the mentality for you?
From a preparation standpoint, for us, it's gonna take some work. Simulated pressures
fired up for this week 3 game. That's going to do it for Cut to the Chase. We enjoyed the Edwards. We enjoyed the Colorado wins. Dude, thanks so much again, Moreline Lagerhouse. We'll see you week 4 when the Bengals are going for a 4th straight win.
See you next week.
In Minnesota, the face of the Vikings Sunday. Kick up 1 o'clock, and you can watch the action from the
And as you're watching that matchup on Local 12 Sunday,
see some rain chances getting back into the forecast. Summer temperatures, though, they continue for now. They expect upper 80s into the weekend here. As I mentioned, the rain finally returns. Scattered showers will start coming back Sunday, especially late afternoon into the evening. And the trend into next week. Closer to normal. It's a hot afternoon, just through hills and 86 degrees. Winds on the calm side. Thankfully, humidity isn't horribly hot like yesterday. The dew point's in the low 50s, between pleasant and refreshing. If you're headed out this evening, a little warm weather, 84 at 7 o'clock, starting 5 until then, always quiet as we fall back into the upper 50s and low 60s by morning. There's yes, another hot one on the way. Near 59 tomorrow morning. The temperatures climb just shy of 90 degrees tomorrow afternoon with lots of sunshine. And again this week, keep those Friday night football athletes hydrated. 84 for that kickoff temperature. Plenty warm out there. Game, we're down to 70 degrees tomorrow evening. Hot again for Oktoberfest tomorrow and Saturday, pushing close to 90. But it's Sunday that brings back the chance for some scattered showers and storms. And look at the outlook here the next 5 days. Models continue next week to increase the rain chances, increase the rain coverage, which is something we really need. Tiny chance for a stray shower on Saturday. But by Sunday, that's when the scattered showers and storms return. We've got those chances into Monday and Tuesday. Really encouraging here. In fact, Climate Prediction Center, now that we're into early October, starting to see wetter than normal conditions trending back into the area. This map still showing above average temperatures, but I think this is going to begin to trend back closer to normal, too. And you'll see that on the temperature trend here for the next 7 days. We're above normal to start things out here, but by